Okay, this is just going to be a quick solenoid replacement on my 4.3 Mercruiser. First, undo your battery. So undo your battery, then remove your carburetor filter, and then I use a 10mm to get the 2 bolts on the front and the back side. And then I use a 7/16 to remove these 2 bolts. On the left side is red, on the right side is yellow. So I'm going to put those 2 back on. There we go. There we go. So give those a tighten. Make sure your connections are clean. I'll show you which wires go on the side. Just to show you where the wire placement is. On this front one, it'll be yellow. On the back one, it'll be red. Or black. Black, yellow, red, yellow. It's as easy as that. Make sure your battery is disconnected when you do it though. Okay, yellow and red and black on one side. Red closest to me. Yellow further away.